Good morning and thank you for joining our Daily Outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.7% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has transitioned into negative territory. Bitcoin has fallen 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into the oversold area. The price of gold has lost 0.9% in the last two sessions. Stochastic shifted sharply into positive territory. The price of crude oil has gained 1.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has slightly receded into the neutral zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell, with shares of Chevron and Amgen Inc. facing the biggest drops for the blue chip average. Spot volumes and futures open interest pushed Bitcoin's price up, beating Ether's performance so far this month. The safe haven Japanese yen sat near a one-week high as worries about rising coronavirus cases tempered optimism around promising vaccine trials.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK GfK consumer confidence will be released at 0:01 GMT. The Japanese manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The UK retail sales at 700 GMT. The Canadian retail sales at 1330 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 GMT. And New Zealand's employment change at 2200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.